Let's go to KZN now. Their home was destroyed by the devastating 2017 floods 3 years later, and Umlazi family is still waiting for help from the eThekwini municipality.
Now, most of them had to move out, leaving behind only 56-year-old Siza Gasa, who now wants his home and family back. eNCA's Thuba Vilane has the story.
It's been 3 years since the Gasa's family house was wiped out, leaving just a kitchen and living room. This is what's left. In order to remain here, security guard Siza Gasa converted the living room into a bedroom. Gasa still recalls in details how the family lost their home.
Umakhelwane wafona njengomuntu obona sengathi imvula isigcwele ngasendlini kodwa wawungakenzeki umonakalo. Something to 1:45 sengiyila ngithola ireport ngisemsebenzini ngase ngifumana ukuthi ke sewukhona umonakalo owenzeka ngingena nje la ngasesitamkokweni ngithi 3 full steps ngiyaphambili indlu yayiwa yaqala ngasekamereni elincane yaya ngokuya yazigcine iwe ekamereni elikhulu kwadestroyeka impahla zahamba nomhosha.
Not only did Gasa lose his house and belongings, his family had to move out to live with other relatives. And that is something that worries Gasa every day.
Engifisa ukulekelela ngako la ngingathoza khona ngoba nomndeni wami usuthanda ukuqhela eduze kwami ngesimo sokuthi vele babantu abahamba ngesimo sabantu abadala engicela ukulekelela ngako ukuthi ngikwazi ukusizakala ekuvukweni komuzi bese futhi ngilekeleleka nasekulungiseni nasekuvuseni isimo sempahla le yalahleka.
At least 64 people were killed and over 1,000 people left homeless in the 2017 floods. The eThekwini municipality said it needed over 658 million rand to repair the damage, but Siza Gasa is still waiting. The IFP says Gasa's isn't the only family who hasn't received help.
So we are calling for the city to ensure that officials must come up clear if they have misused the funds. Those people need to be taken to jail or even suspended to work, because it cannot be business as usual. Some people are still living in the municipality hall, which is not acceptable. So this is very, very painful situation for people of Umlazi.
The eThekwini municipality was not immediately available for comment, but the city's human settlement chairperson Thanduxolo Sabela earlier said a contractor has been appointed to build houses for flood victims in Umlazi. Thuba Vilane,